how to fix WhatsApp cannot send message. So hello guys, today I'm gonna talk about how to fix WhatsApp cannot send message. So to fix this issue, what you have to do is check for the app updates. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and then search for WhatsApp. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is, if you are an Android user, you can just simply clear the cache through the phone's settings. And if you are an iOS user, what you have to do is go to your iOS devices settings, then go to general and then tap on iPhone storage. Now find WhatsApp from the list, or you can just simply search it in your search bar. Then tap upload app. Once you tap upload app, immediately reinstall the app to your device. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.